Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the city of Denver. A widespread disease is infecting citizens across the city, causing heightened aggression and rioting. Symptoms of this disease include vomiting, stomach aches and pains, coughing, sneezing, irritability, bloodshot eyes, and fatigue. Residents of Denver are requested to stay indoors and alert authorities if any family member shows these symptoms. Do not go with the rioters. Rioting will not be tolerated and you will be arrested.
The following message has been transmitted by Baltimore City civil authorities. Rioting is in progress in the city of Baltimore. The cause of these riots are assumed to be a previously unknown disease infecting citizens in droves. Symptoms of this disease include vomiting, stomach aches and pains, coughing, sneezing, irritability, bloodshot eyes, and fatigue. Baltimore citizens are advised to stay home. Do not participate in the riots. Doing so can get you injured or killed, and you will be arrested. Report any sick family members to local authorities by calling 911.
Radiological hazard warning for the following areas in Virginia: Williamsburg, Suffolk, Chester, Mechanicsville, Surrey, Colonial Heights, Chesapeake, Highland Springs, Petersburg, and Newport News. Rioters have broken into the Dominion Surrey Power Station, destroying everything in their path. The cause of this is assumed to be the disease that has caused riots all over the country in cities like Baltimore and Denver. As a result of the rioters entering the power plant, a reactor went into meltdown, releasing deadly radioactive particles into the environment. Local officials are advising that you stay inside, bring all pets inside, turn off heating and ventilation systems, and close and lock all doors. Authorities will inform you when the threat passes and when you can exit your home. All clear. The radioactive particles in the environment have dispersed to a point where it is no longer harmful to humans. It is safe to leave your home and it is safe to turn your heating and ventilation systems back on again. Civil authorities thank you for your cooperation to keep you and your fellow citizens safe.
all clear. A vaccine for the virus has been created and is being widely administered to the public in the city of Baltimore. Baltimore civil authorities have detained all persons involved in the riots. There may be some people with heightened aggression. If you see one of these people, contact local authorities immediately. It is safe to exit your home. Baltimore civil authorities thank you for keeping you and your community safe.